Today we're going to be learning how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. Emily had 5/8 of a box of chocolates left over after Valentine's Day. She wanted to share with her friend Reagan, so she gave her 3/4 of what she had left over. How much of a box of chocolate did Reagan get? So we want to start with what the problem tells us. So we know that Reagan got 3/4 of the 5/8 of chocolate Emily had left over. When thinking about what operation to use, we need to read the problem again and determine what hints it gives us. So Reagan is getting 3/4 of the 5/8 Emily had left over. The of is important because in this case it means that we are going to use multiplication. So our number sentence for this problem is 3/4 times 5/8 equals how much of a box of chocolates Reagan got. So let's start by drawing a box of chocolates. If we look at the 5/8 of a box of chocolates left over, we know that it is split up into 8 same size pieces. And the 5 means that there are 5 pieces shaded, or there are 5 pieces of a box of chocolate that Emily has. Then we have to have a way to represent the 3/4 that she gave to Reagan. So I'm going to draw another box that represents the 3/4. So 4 same size pieces with 3 shaded. So then we need to determine how the 3/4 and the 5/8, where they intersect. So I'm going to move the yellow shaded regions on top of the 5/8. So the answer to the problem is going to be where these two representations intersect. So it's this orange area on the left. If we count all the orange squares or rectangles, we get 15 pieces. But it's not 15 out of 4 or 15 out of 8. We want to know how much of a box of chocolates Reagan got. So we need to count all the squares that are seen after we split them up. So if you count all of them up, you get 32. So our fraction is 15/32. So when answering the question, how much of a box of chocolates did Reagan get? She got 15/32 of a box of chocolates. There's another way that we can check our answer. If we multiply 3 times 5, which is multiplying the top of the fraction or the numerators, we get 15. When we multiply the bottom of the fraction or the denominators, or in our case, same size pieces, we get 32. So we know that our answer, 15/32, is correct.